Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a traditional ciabatta bread as part of our bread baking series. I'm quite excited about this. My husband's family is partly Italian, so there's a lot of Italian tradition on that side of the family, and I always wanted to make this one, so I'm kind of looking forward to it. Let's get started.
Only very few ingredients. We need 1 cup or 225 milliliters of warm water, 2 1/4 cup or 280 grams of flour, 2 teaspoons dry yeast, half a teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. There are a lot more complicated recipes out there, but this version is kind of a simplified version. It's really easy since this recipe is quite hands-off. Start out combining the water, yeast, and sugar. In a large mixing bowl, add flour and salt and mix in the yeast mixture with a spoon. Only knead 1 or 2 strokes to ensure everything is combined properly, otherwise try not to knead this dough at all. So if your dough is too sticky to knead, then it's perfect. Allow to rise about an hour and a half. Sprinkle flour on your lined baking tray and gently move your dough onto the baking tray. Split the dough in 2 and shape them into rectangles. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius with a baking dish of water for 20 to 25 minutes. This bread has a lovely crust. The inside is soft and fluffy and it tastes amazing. This is a simplified version of classic ciabatta, but it tastes just like the original. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.